Wagwan peeps, it's been a little while. Yeah, my head kind of bad up, but be a business. But good morning. I'm gonna get ready now. I'm gonna go up on the road. We're gonna do a little directing today, a video directing for a music video. And cameraman also, so camera / directing today for boardroom and a band in Jamaica. So yeah, it's supposed to reach by 9 o'clock, so I have an hour. So yeah, we're there, peeps. So yeah, hope you guys been enjoying all the vlogs so far. And peeps, me know I haven't been streaming that much because I'm there road. I make my name. I put in the work, and time I kill me too. But no worry on myself. All of the tag I sort out soon. But we're there now, vlog girl. I'm gonna go buy a new tripod stick because one of my beautiful nieces at first dance studio broke it. Yeah. So I have to buy a new one today. I'm gonna go shut up my hair and get shape and line up. Yeah. Plus we have our next shoot again Friday, Thursday. I'm gonna have a next shoot again. I'm supposed to do from yesterday, but that never happened. But anyway, I'll put in the work and I'll go road. So go on journey there, boy. Hey, boy. Hey.
Release the dopamine.
So Wagwan vlog world, I am here. It's a beautiful morning. My youth are coming on my shot for ugly king Alvin. How are you, man?
No, I did.
Youth, how are you, man? Yeah, man, we're there with the boss himself. Big up yourself, you know, sir.
Yo, morning folks. How you do? Happy Christmas. Happy everything. We're up on a shoot scene today. We're gonna make it great. So bless upon yourself, viewers. Why we can't forget to street people them downtown, you know. Big up on yourself, big up on yourself.
Big up on yourself.
Big up on yourself.
When you hear that, people, so we're there. We're there AVS Labs. That's where we're at right now.
Yes, and lab.
Yes, I love. So we're there.
But
We kind of lock up. We kind of lock out. So we're there wait for them to come open up the place. Me hungry.
Yeah.
I'm PSYNOS a dream that if I sound weird. And I'm thirsty. And we just want to start everything right now. So yeah.
Anybody want to feel sorry, just bring some food.
Peeps, so shooting start here. We have some delay. But every delay is for a reason, I believe. So here we are going to go on now, peeps. So you see AVS Labs, and never there's one place beside it. AVS is actually a medical center. Bruh. So me think is the actual street, but it's one place right beside. See one of them shutter there? Yeah. So this. So your boy PSYNOS there. I need to get something. Alright, vloggers over there. I'm playing a musician, a part of the band. Here we are on set, and we set. I think so. But we're there. Name of the band is Live Song. Yes, a gospel band, guys. So right here, it's Jay there, King Alvin there, Kingston there, Live Song is there, and I'm right here. Playing. I've got the drums right here. You got yourself there. Keys. Yeah, so we're there. Vlog world, and we just have one put in the work. So anyway, go on journey there, boy.
Come true, I'm waiting on your patiently. Want you, let me know if you wake up. I'm cool with you, but girl, don't play with me. Girl, please just stay with me all day. Don't know it's the boy King Alvin. Me I take over the vlog today because you don't know PSYNOS a mad so some shoot right now. I don't know if you can hear me, but me I show you what I go on in here.
No, no.
This way I talk about.
Whatever on the
The
phone I
SC.
didn't hear.
You can't pay me for the shot. If you have camera.
Right, it's good, right?
Yeah, no,
Tell me.
don't want to do it.
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Camera roll.
Fill up my cup and let it overflow with love. Jesus, I need your love. Let your spirit fill me up. Fill up our cup and let it overflow with love. Jesus, we need your love. Let your spirit fill me. Your spirit fill us up. Yeah. Let your spirit fill us up. Your glory will be praised. Forever say, we live for your glory, tell your story. Use me as a broken vessel to declare your story and your power to the world. Say, woo!
The guitarist.
Hope you guys enjoy the shoot today, and that's me a bright narrative, but I like it. It worked vlog world. So anyway, journey the boy. Whoop.